See character creation screen. They show me my options. Dwarf, pass, elf, cringe, human, what a disgrace. None of these are good enough. None of these are me. I stare at the screen, and I decide I will play what I want, even if it doesn't exist. I hover over nothing. I click on empty space, and through sheer willpower, I created an entirely new race.
Potato, 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 bitters welded so.
The potato.
Some play human basic joy, some play orc with angry voice, some play elf for pointy ears. Glitty plays what she engenders. One race, potato, best race, potato, supreme, potato, conquer, field, fight.
Potato racials include thick skin, plus 50% roast resistance. Root network sends enemies underground. No other race compares, because no other race was willed into existence by pure glitty energy.
They said pick from the list provided. Sunglitters said now I've decided. If the race I want's not there, I'll make it myself, I do not care. Root leg supreme, living the dream. Starch powered might, potato can fight. I said Paul, you said top Paul. Paul, Paul.
Blizzard didn't approve this, but Blizzard can't stop me. Douchewai. The train is fading. They want me to pick a real race, but I refuse. The potato must exist. The train needs more willpower, more bits to manifest this race. Who believes in the potato? Who will gift the subs to make this real? Who will help me make it a reality?
Save the potato race.
Save the train.